Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can set the notification display style on your iPhone. So the thing that you have to do now is just go up on your settings. In the settings you just need to scrolling down, and there could be a second box with these options. Tap into the notification. Right after you open it, there could be a display as right here, and there could be three options that you can get for the style. There could be a count, stack, and list. If you want to get a count, so that could be only a number and the notification application showing up, while the stack you will got you will receive a lot of history notification that you get, but that it could be reducing and that could be able to be swiped up and swiped down. And for the list, you will got a display as a list, so you will got the history notification that you have in a list style. So you just need to pick one of them, and right after you got it, you just need to go back, and they could be automatically saved into your system. So whenever you receive the notification, they could be in a count display. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section, and don't forget to turn on the notification for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.